How to force iPhone into ultra dark mode. First, open the Settings app and tap Accessibility. Next, select Display and Text Size. Scroll down until you find Reduce White Point. Tap on it and turn the toggle on. Now, use the Reduce White Point slider to adjust the intensity. The higher the percentage, the darker your screen will become. For the best ultra dark mode effect, set it to around 80% to 100%. You can also combine this with dark mode by going to Settings, then Display and Brightness, and selecting Dark. This gives your iPhone an even darker appearance while reducing eye strain in low light environments. That's it. You've successfully enabled ultra dark mode on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, hidden iOS features, and easy tech guides.